It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. We have another Amazon haul, okay, and in this haul I made sure to find some more of those glue gel tip kits. So I'm going to show you the ones I got, and of course I'm going to make a video showing all of this stuff to you and how I used it. But let's get into the haul, okay? So in this haul I got some things that were designed to remove gel polish or gel nails, acrylic nails, and all of that. So I just showed you those, and it's basically what I normally do with the cotton balls and the foil, but this is actually made with the little cotton pad on there. So I'm going to be trying those out for you guys. This is a glue gel and tip kit that I got. I haven't used this one quite yet, but you guys will see it. It came with this cute little lamp. And if you don't know, we hit 2K, so I am going to be doing a giveaway. I am going to give away one of these kits, okay? So stay tuned to see which one I will be giving away. I found these tips. I thought these were so cute. I haven't seen anything like this, so I snatched them on up. And it's basically kind of like a regular tip, but it is kind of like 3D. It has like a fold in it. And thank you to my subscriber who recommended this kit. I have already used it, and I'm not going to give any spoilers, but I want to give one of these away for our 2K giveaway, okay? So I'm going to open this up. I got two of them with different tips. One had like a coffin and one had a square. So I took the tips and divided them evenly for each box. So I have a video that you guys are going to see soon of me using the tips. I did the coffin on one hand and the square on the other hand. And one of you guys is going to get this kit as well. So you will get the coffin and the square tips, because I think both of them came with 12 sticks, and I did 6 and 6 in each box. So it comes with, you know, the gel, the top coats, all of that kind of stuff. It comes with a little clamp to hold it on while you put it on under the lamp. And look at this lamp, y'all. Don't this lamp look familiar? This looks just like the Beatles lamp, okay? And I think I got the Beatles lamp. I did. I got the Beatles lamp to show y'all. It's like literally the same lamp. So I went searching for all of these different kits because one of you guys told me that the Beatles kit was not on the UK Amazon, but somebody recently told me that you guys found it, so that's awesome. But with these new kits, I'm going to be bringing you some other options so you can try out some other kits, okay? So thank you to the subscriber who recommended the gelling kit. All right, you guys are going to see what I thought about it. But if I want to give one of them away, it must have went well, okay? So I'm just going to leave it at that. But my intentions for getting both of these kits was to give one away. And I have so many of these little kits now. It may be more giveaways as well, okay? I feel like I only really need to use it one time. So I don't know if you guys are into that. If after I maybe use the kit, you guys can get like the tips in a giveaway or something like that. So just stay tuned for that. But I have been buying all this stuff and it's been collecting, and it's time to give some of it away. So this is another kit. This one is by the company Astound. And you guys probably wouldn't want the liquids, but maybe some of these tips and some of these lamps we can give away, because this is just too much stuff, okay? But this kit came with this kind of lamp, so I thought that was interesting. And I have another lamp like this as well, and that's, you know, free game to give away, because I don't really use those lamps. After I bought that really big lamp from Double Dip, I tend to use that the most. And when I travel to do like nail classes, I take my, I think it's a smaller lamp that I have. I don't remember the brand. So these are the gelling kits, okay? I got another product that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. It is a gel polish remover. I'm going to do a video where I use the gel polish remover and the gel polish foil removers to show you guys what I think about those. And I use them to remove the nails that I have on in this video. And of course, the next set that I did was with these gelling tips. So here I'm going to show you guys the tips, and I'm going to separate them. And I had another giveaway that was scheduled. I didn't get a chance to actually give the items away. Only like maybe one person entered, and that season had ended. It was kind of around like all the chaos and stuff that's been going on. So I am still going to give away some polish strips, so keep an eye out for that. I have a lot of stuff to give away, y'all, so just get ready for the giveaway drops, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.